Overconfidence. Another sign of hypocrisy is that one will always feel secure and safe from fearing they may be a hypocrite. They always declare to others and fool themselves into believing that they act with the correct intention, which is to please Allah, the Exalted. When hypocrisy is mentioned to them, they turn away from it, believing they have no portion of it in their spiritual hearts, thereby claiming purity for themselves. Chapter 53 and Name, verse 32.
So do not claim yourselves to be pure. He is most knowing of who fears him.
On the other hand, a true believer will always fear that hypocrisy is hidden in their spiritual heart. They constantly judge themselves in order to seek and uproot it from their souls. Even when they perform righteous deeds such as the prayer or charity, they fear it will not be accepted by Allah, the Exalted, because of some hypocrisy in their intention and action. Chapter 23 Al-Mu'minun, verse 60.
And they who give what they give while their hearts are fearful, one, because they will be returning to their Lord.
Hypocrites do nothing and feel safe, whereas the believers strive in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, face destiny with patience and still fear they will fail in the hereafter. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.